everybody. Thank you so much for joining us for this awesome journey. It was really cool to see all of the 10 projects, the 10 teams sharing their project journeys with us from the process to the actual project itself. So I really enjoyed being a part of that journey. And it was cool to see projects from all over the world, Zimbabwe to Ghana to California, US. I really enjoyed being a part of that experience. So now we do want to hear from some of the project teams directly if they have any tips for student developers out there who are working on projects or may be inspired after today to get started on a project right away. So I do want to play that video so you can get a sense of, what are some of the tips from the teams that you just heard from. So let's take a listen.
What I tried to do for myself was step out of my comfort zone and learn about technologies that I wasn't familiar with.
As a developer, do not think about the clean or perfect codes. Think about the best solution to the worst problems.
Never forget to find the project, and if you encounter some problems, just try to look for already existing solutions on the internet that can really save some of your time.
For being a great developer, keep going and never give up. Explore various new technologies and keep them in mind while using.
Keep learning and never be afraid of failure.
Have good time management and do research whenever you can.
Pay attention to the people that most don't get to care and listen to their stories.
Start making your own project by validate the user needs.
Anything you develop, don't dump it on any site. Instead, plan, develop, and deploy.
By attending and fully utilizing all the GDSC workshops, study gyms, code labs, as well as asking questions from the larger Google developer community, you can surely build anything and for everyone.
Great. I really enjoyed hearing some of those tips. I totally agree. Keep learning and don't be afraid of failure. And also, listening to stories, listening to user needs, that's all very important. And the teams today did that. So thank you so much for sharing those tips. And I want to say thank you to the 10 teams that just shared their projects with us, answered questions. I'd also love to thank the Googlers from the different technology teams who joined us to ask the teams questions. So thank you for that. And I also want to thank all of you, everybody who joined us for this event today and were a part of the experience, asking questions. Thank you so much for being with us. And I do want to remind you, for all of you who are listening, that you can claim your badge. So you can see that here. And basically, this is on the Google Developers profile page where you can create a profile and grab a badge for being an attendee today. And you can also get badges for starting a learning pathway and also for Code Lab. So we're going to add that in the chat right now so you can get your badge. And I really want to thank you for being a part of this today, watching these projects. And we encourage you to join the Solution Challenge next year, 2021, which is going to be announced in January. And so we'd love to see your projects showcased live again like this next year. And if you are a university student, I encourage you to join a developer student club in your area. And this is a link where you can learn more. And as I mentioned, I hope to see your project next year. And so thank you all again for joining us, and see you all at the 2021 Solution Challenge. Thanks, everyone. Bye.